Yes guys, welcome back. I've gone and done it again, passed another 20 clients for the month of January. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all the proof, all the testimonials, the account history, everything you guys need to know. And I'll also be giving you guys a trade breakdown of the trade which managed to get me to hit that profit target to pass phase 1 for all of my clients. Now before we do get into this video, I just want to quickly announce the fact that I will be releasing a course on this trading strategy which I specifically use myself in detail from A to Z, explaining everything I do to be able to pass these challenges so consistently and at such a higher pace. So if you guys are interested, do be sure to follow me on Instagram and also follow the free Telegram. Links are in the description down below, and just keep up to date. And by the end of this month I'll be releasing that course. Right, so first thing first, if you guys come on over to my Social Trader Tools profile over here, you can see that I've got all 20 of my clients which I've passed connected up over here. Now I have blurred out their account numbers just for privacy sakes, because I want to make sure I'm protecting and reserving all of their accounts. This is one of my clients' 300k my Forex fund challenges, and as you can see on the bottom left hand corner, I've managed to hit 8% for him, which is $24,000. Coming over to the account history, if I just expand this for you guys, you can see the first two trades were break even. Although it's minus $400, minus $390, and that might seem like a lot in comparison to the account balance, which is 300k. It is break-even trades which I was taking, just managing risk and keeping my losses very tight. Then on GBP USD, I took a nice almost $14,000 trade, which I did do a breakdown in my previous video. So if you're curious to see how I managed to catch this 14k trade, be sure to watch the video previous to this where I break down this trade over here. And then right afterwards I took another 11.5k dollar trade on gold, and this is the trade that I'll be breaking down for you at the end of the video if you stick around till the end, where I'll also be giving you little nuggets about my strategy and just telling you how I managed to reach that profit target. So as you can see, 24k profit achieved, full account history from A to Z, from the initial deposit all the way to fulfilling the minimum trading days, which is that minus $12 loss, which is just fulfilling the minimum 5 trading days to move on to the next stage. So if you join the Telegram group, you can see I was posting every single one of my trades from the beginning till the end, so you could be a part of the journey of me passing these trades. So the first trade you can see was GBP USD, like I said, and I shared a screenshot when I entered this trade and when it went into profit. And then I also shared the overall push through, which we got straight into TP. Nice setup given there. And then the next trade after this was closed for around a 4.5% gain. The next trade, like I said, was on gold. Again, I posted screenshots of me entering these trades so you could be kept up to date with exactly all of my trading history. And this was the trade which ended up passing 20 plus funding challenges, like I said over here. And then these are all the screenshots of all the clients that I managed to pass. So if you just take a look, I've hit 8% over here. And then as we move on forward, this one I've hit 8.3%, here 8.6%. You can just go through this in your own time and just look at each and every single one of these accounts I've given you. I've hit 9.4% over here, and so on and so forth. There's around, let's say there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 just over here alone. 10, 11, 12. So 12 screenshots I've shown you of at least 12 passed. I didn't send screenshots of all 20 because it is time consuming. So just to prove the point that I've managed to pass them and show you proof, I've just sent all of the screenshots on the free Telegram, which everyone can access. Clicking onto the video, I've again connected up, not all of them, but I think it was around 6 accounts, showing all the account history for each and every single one of them. So there is no doubt that all of these accounts were passed and full transparency was given. So I'm really trying to set a standard over here to be transparent and show all of my trades. So having said that, now let's move on over to the charts, which is what everyone was waiting for. And so I'm just going to give you a quick breakdown of this gold trade. So the first thing I done on the 4-hour time frame, like always, I'm determining my bias. And on the 4-hour time frame, I saw that price was still overall bullish, and there was still strong buying volume in comparison to the bears. Having said that, on the 30-minute time frame, I've highlighted this level of support. Now I've drawn out my level from this specific area for a specific reason which I won't be going into, but this is a key level which I've highlighted and dragged across this horizontal box tool over here, and I started observing weakness on the 30-minute time frame. So we see that the 4-hour and the 30-minute are bullish, and we're also seeing weakness on the 30-minute time frame with this clean push up, break of structure, coming back for that retest. That typical setup we always see. Now that's where exactly I also marked up my overall TP. So overall I was targeting this level on the 30-minute time frame to see if we can get that further push up and that further extended leg being created. However, we didn't get this in this case, and that's why I ended up taking profit roughly around there. So in terms of my entries, that was taken on the 5-minute time frame. So if we zoom in, I've highlighted a key level of supply right over here. Again, not really going to go into why exactly I'm highlighting these specific levels exactly here. As you can see, it respected it to the T before that rollover to the downside. And I've also highlighted this resistance level in this green horizontal tool, as you can see. So once we saw a bunch of consolidation happening between these two ranges, this is exactly where some sort of fundamental news came out. So I just waited for that to play out. Once I saw momentum slowing down again over here with plenty of wick rejections and the news volume has subsided, this is exactly where I ended up taking my entries. So I ended up taking my entries at the close of this wick, but since I knew it would retrace a bit down before that push up, I entered roughly around this region over here. We will cross check this with my MT4 account history as well. And I had stops just below the low over here with my overall TP roughly around this area over here. So as soon as I entered, immediate profit, minimal drawdown, absolutely no drawdown. We just shot straight up, breaking through this level of resistance, which was very important because this level of resistance was holding for quite some time. We got this break and then a wick tap into this resistance, which is now acting as support before a further push up. Now I ended up taking profits roughly around here somewhere because all of my clients were passed and there was really no reason for me to continue holding this trade because all of the targets were met. So I ended up closing roughly around here because all of the challenges got passed. And yeah, that's how I ended up passing all of these trades. If you are curious to know exactly how I enter all of these trades, I'll be dropping a course for you at the end of this month where I'll be giving you a step-by-step process of how exactly I take these trades. So if you are eager to learn and do this for yourselves because the results speak volumes, so be sure to follow the free Telegram. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And other than that, I'll catch you guys next time.